Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every outdoor enthusiast and DIY lover should have in their gear collection. We found this amazing paracord on Amazon and have added the link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Amazon Basics 550 Type 3 paracord, a versatile and high-strength cord that's perfect for a wide range of activities. This particular pack includes 2 rolls, each measuring 100 feet long and about 5/32 inch in diameter. With its vibrant orange color, this paracord is not just practical but also easy to spot in various environments. One of the standout features of this paracord is its construction. It boasts a durable nylon exterior that combines a 32 braided UV-resistant jacket with a robust 7-strand nylon core. Each of these strands is made up of 3 twisted yarns, ensuring that you have a strong and reliable cord at your disposal. This means that whether you're using it for survival tasks, hiking, or crafting, you can trust this paracord to hold up under pressure. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're an avid hiker or camper, this paracord is an essential addition to your gear. It's also great for survivalists who appreciate the importance of having reliable tools at hand. And for those who love DIY projects, the possibilities are endless. You can create everything from stylish belts and bracelets to leashes and lanyards. The versatility of this paracord makes it a must-have for anyone who enjoys working with their hands. When it comes to practical use cases, the Amazon Basics paracord excels in a variety of situations. For outdoors enthusiasts, you can use it to secure tents, create makeshift clotheslines, or even tie down gear on your backpack. Its high strength makes it suitable for tasks that require a reliable hold, like building shelters or hauling items. For survival scenarios, this paracord can be a lifesaver. It can be used for fishing lines, creating traps, or even first aid applications. The sturdy construction means you can rely on it in both wet and dry conditions, and it naturally resists oils, acids, and abrasions, making it highly durable regardless of the environment. If you're into crafting, this paracord opens up a world of creativity. You can weave it into bracelets, making personalized gifts for friends and family. Alternatively, you can use it to create decorative items around your home or as functional accessories. One thing to keep in mind is that this paracord is not reflective and will sink when placed in water, so it's not suitable for floating applications. However, its natural resistance to various elements makes it a great choice for both indoor and outdoor projects. Lastly, this paracord is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 550 Type 3 paracord is a fantastic product for anyone who loves the outdoors, enjoys crafting, or is looking for a reliable tool for survival situations. Its durability, versatility, and vibrant color make it not only functional but also a fun addition to your gear. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.